Vinyls are a great way to let people know what you got in your car. Power acoustic. That means it's got power and it's got acoustics. Right? So anyways, I bought this on eBay when I bought the sub. Now I got my new amp. I don't know how well you can see it, but it came with a new vinyl. It's black and it's got a different, I don't know if Power Acoustic changed their logo or I have no idea, but it's a different one. So it'd look kind of stupid if I put them right next to each other because they're both Power Acoustic, so why would I do that? So we're going to take and put this one on the front windshield. Just for fun, you know? I have to, why not use them both? So, I'm going to show you how to put on a vinyl today. Got this on eBay like $6. Probably have them on there for whatever you got in your car. So let's go around to the front of the vehicle. So the basic tools you're going to need to install a vinyl. First of all, you have to buy the vinyl. You're also going to want to have like a credit card or some sort of thick card. That card there will work. Some window cleaner and some paper towels. So I've chosen this corner up here to put my new vinyl right up there. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray it down. Grab myself some paper towels. Just a few. Oh, don't let it blow away either. Anyways, you can rub down this whole area. Clean it up. Just make sure it's nice and dry. Because you don't want any moisture in there. Alright, that's probably good. Now you're going to take your thing and you're going to peel off the clear side here. If you can. Jeez. Alright. Actually, on this one, the blue stuff is what is coming off, and you want to just peel it back nice and slowly and make sure that all your letters come off onto the blue. Actually, it's white. Could you not do that in my video, please? I'm just kidding. Jeez, I've never had one this bad. Usually if you put like the white paper at a real steep angle, that should help to get it to stick to the blue. You gotta be careful you don't rip any letters either. That E almost ripped on me. Wow, they make these things way too difficult. There it goes. Fine, there we go. So now it's all the way off. If you look at it from the sticky side, it should be backwards. You're gonna take and flip it over. Give me a little more light up here. And you want to pick like a line to go with to make sure it's straight. So I'm just going to use this black line up here. Just going to here real quick. Okay, can you hold the light up a little higher? Alright, now I'm just gonna layer down, grab my card, start swiping it. This just helps to get any air bubbles out. Once you think that you've gotten it good, take and peel off your blue stuff. You just want to do it real slow and just make sure that all your letters stick to the glass and not this. See how it's bent right over? That's how you want to do it. You don't want to pull it like this, but you just want to kind of slide it back nice and slow at a little bit of an angle. There you have it. Vinyl. Looking good. Representing. I don't see any air bubbles or anything, so it's good. Looking good.